So all 4 statues commissioned by the Jamaican government in honor of this round of our track and field athletes are now completed and unveiled, with Asafa Powell finishing 4th again. Sorry. With Asafa being the 4th statue. After Usain Bolt, Shelley and Fraser Price and Veronica Campbell Brown say yes, Safa come 4th again. But seriously, the Maverick have to clear up some things this evening. I personally think we're giving out too many statues. We're devaluing what a statue supposed to be. For sure we can honor the very best with statues. Definitely Usain Bolt, the greatest sprinter of all time, and possibly Shelley and Fraser Price, who is getting there as the greatest female sprinter of all time. I think there are other appropriate ways to honor some other athletes. Name a school or a park or a street after them. The rate we're going now, Jamaica soon gets saturated with statues. Next thing, statues should not be built while the athletes are still competing. Wait till the people then retire. Test can fail, anything can happen. Next thing you know, we are bulldozed down some statue and all these things. And another thing, since the decision has been taken to give out statues left, right, and center, we are begging you, spread out the statues to different eras, not just who running now, and to different sports, not just track and field. Please and thanks. Me don't talk about statue now, except to say, see my pose here?